All right, everyone, today we are talking LV Fall Winter 2023 collection. Do you see what I see on the runway here? Not the dress, not the bag. Look closely. Do you see it? We're talking about the boots, okay? So I'm going to show you closely, and I want you to zoom in just on the boots. Do you see them? They actually don't look that crazy on the runway because we're used to seeing wild and wacky with all the glitz and the lighting and the music on the runway. But let's zero in on these boots here because this is kind of hilarious, actually. Look, these are the new boots from the Fall Winter collection. They look like skin color on the top. Then you've got this white portion that is supposed to be like socks, and then painted on black heels, okay? Here's a closer look at the top. So these are actually boots. You can see the zipper on the side. And this is what the full boot looks like. 3 painted portions. And from what I have read, this has been hand painted, and there's actually quite a lot of detail too. So it says here under the product details that this is the Illusion High Boot, and it nods to the surrealist art movement. Supple calf skin painted by hand to create the illusion of a sock, complete with ribbing. Yeah, there's ribbing detail. And then all these other details here, back zip, leather outsole. I did not know that these were coming out this season. I don't know how I missed them, but they have me laughing because they're weird. But they put a lot of thought into it. They made 2 different tones, skin tones. So you've got the darker and the lighter. Not that we come in only 2 varieties here, but at least they tried. The price is just under $2,500, which is wild, but maybe there's someone out there who wants to collect this. Maybe someone wants to wear it. Actually,
I haven't been this excited for a really long time. We were on the runway like a year ago, and I knew what the second they would come out, I had to get them because this is just... Wish you could feel this. The texture is almost like neoprene. This is like the ultimate Polly Pocket shoe. See you in part 2 for the styling. Let's try my boots with a mini skirt. We've all been waiting for this. And we're gonna go with a simple black skirt. And why not try this Polly Pocket top? Oh my god. I think it looks really cool with a short skirt. Like at first I thought they were looking a little bit like a joke, but now I think I love them a lot. If I was actually wearing this out, I would not wear this. Let me show you what I would wear. And suddenly, I want to wear this outfit every single day. I thought I wanted to return these boots, but now I want to keep them forever.
well, she's clearly a happy customer. Meanwhile, there are articles with headings such as this. For $2,500, Louis Vuitton's new heels look like a prosthetic leg.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy! Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
For those of you who recognize that movie, I had to put it in. When else am I going to put a clip from that movie in one of my YouTube videos? Anyway, back to the boots. Here they are, and here it is on the model on the LV website. And of course, there's a cute little bag also from the Fall Winter 2023 collection, which I'll come back to in a bit, but just for a little bit of breaking up the eye candy, here it is. I will show more at the end of the video. So here's another pair of boots that they came out with this season, and this is probably not as wild and weird as the first pair, but it's got that like really scrunchy, I don't know, it's a scrunchy effect, and it's all lambskin, which means it's going to be super soft, I would imagine. I think these shoes are not as offensive as the first pair. I don't know, the first they just seem so wild to me. This obviously would have taken a lot of detail and craftsmanship to make. The zipper on the back, look at it. Just look at all that detail. I just wish that LV put so much care into other areas, other products and service. So here they are, the Olympia boots for just under $2,500. Yeah, so we're talking pretty much same price range as the Illusion boots. And then you've got this same style, but in the sandals. If you're interested, if you like this, it's kind of giving me like vintage vibes in the sandals. Here it is from the side, and obviously price is going to be well over $1,000. I'll show you the price in a minute. Here it is from the back. Do you like it? Do you like any of these? Let me know in the comments below. Has anything popped out from the fall winter collection so far? I'd be curious to know. So yep, it's a little over 1,200 for these sandals, but I feel like these are the least offensive looking shoes I've shown so far. And then of course I want to incorporate some handbags into this video because hey, we love our handbags, right? This is a new bag and it's starting to get a lot of attention actually. And I'm going to share the details. So it comes in 4 different colors. Here it is in the black. It's got that smooth leather. Here it is in the yellow. It's kind of like a banana color, right? And then you've got this pop of red, which is very festive for the holidays especially. Price is $49.50, so you're spending just about $5,000 plus, of course, taxes on top. The prices from LV are going up as usual, especially as they are pushing more of their leather handbags versus their more classic canvas. So here's the N lock, a nod to their trunks here, details. Now, interesting, I am a compartments girl. You guys know that. This bag has a lot of compartments. It has 3 main compartments, and then you've got a zippered compartment in the back, as you can see. So it's really well organized. Now, you can't put like big bulky things and throw it in there, but if you want to be organized, this is super nice. Now, here's the front. You can see all the detail on the hardware. Do you like this? For me personally, something is off and I can't put my finger on it. Here, the back pocket. Back pockets are always bonus. You guys know that. You can put your phone in there. You can slip some cash, cards, ID in there. I love a back pocket. Here's the front again. I do like all the little details, but I wonder if it pulls together cohesively. I'm not sure. I don't know if I like this lock. I'd have to see how it works. Here, in an article from Purse Blog, they actually showcased some of the new bags from the 23 fall winter collection. And here's a photo that they put on their website. So on the left is the Orsay MM, and then on the right is that tiny little bag that we saw earlier with the boots. So the Orsay, some people are saying, you know, they like the bag. You can see the comments here. The Orsay bag really caught my eyes too. That bag, the Orsay bag looks very nice. So it's interesting. Let me know what you guys think. And this is the other one, the mini that was on the model earlier with the boots and was also on the runway show with the model wearing the boots. So it's tiny. It's a little mini. It's a cutie pie. Try to zoom in a little bit so you can see the details on the side as well. And this is called the Vanity Case PM. And I don't like when they say call for inquiry because that means the price is going to be through the roof. So I don't know how much this costs. Usually when they say call to find out, it's a lot. It's a lot more than the usual lot. But it's tiny and obviously not much is going to fit. But this is very reminiscent of their trunks. You can see the inside, the pattern is supposed to mimic the quilting on their old school trunks. It's going to be like a hard case. And here's the front again. They're really liking this lock, I guess. And I gotta bring it back to the boots though before I finish out the video. Let me know your thoughts. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.